Number 4. Draw the diagram of the logic circuit represented by the following Boolean expression. So Q, the output, is equal to, in brackets, A and not B, or the OR gate, not A and B. So you've got to identify straight away that you've got two inputs, A and B. A and B. They're your inputs. And this is the answer I got from that. So there's my answer. Sorry about that red line in the middle of it there. So when I look at this, I get A and, there's the AND gate, and not B. Right? So A and not B. And then that's the output of that, or not A. So you can have these lines kind of joined off there. Not A and B. And that's what gives you your output there. Now, if you didn't get that answer, that is absolutely fine. That was not an easy question there to understand by any means. Right? That was not an easy question. Again, two inputs, A and B. So this first one, if I trace along that line, it gives me, and this is the AND gate, so A and then not B. So whatever input I get for B is reversed, not B. Or not A and B. And that was the logic expression you were given there up above. A and not B, or not A and B. So just watch out for that one.